Claude Code running inside Claudia, which was a GitHub software that you can control Claude Code agents and Claude Code projects. Now if you open a terminal, as you can see here, I can control all of this in here if I want to proceed with one of the agents I've been using, as I built a quite complex YouTube script generator built on Python. As you can see, there's a lot of code here, but going through one by one, bit by bit, we don't want to ask again for the test commands. But looking at the usage dashboard, because this is not using the API, this is using my current Claude Pro plan, and if it was actually using the API, it would be very expensive. As you can see, the total outcome and the average cost is about 4 cents per session, but these sessions are really racking up, and moving outside of the usage dashboard, it's $15 for this one project, or this main project here. As you can see, instead of it having in just terminal text, what Claudia does is basically takes that plain code and text and starts to format it. As you can see, there was quite a lot here, and I wanted to build custom Python using make.com scenario, and then I fed it the information of the steps of how it was being done beforehand, and then here you see the nice formatting for it. We want to continue with the final. There we are. And so this will just run in the background, utilizing tokens split across between my Claude Pro plan and Claude Code as it's baked in. Here you can see like what it does in real time. Creates a to-do list and creates a directory, which would sometimes take manually quite a while. And in this case, it's just building it as a Python Pro agent. And as you can see, it builds the entire framework, but it truncates it to 1,000 characters. As you can see, it's just building and writing each of the files here. And as you can see, it goes through and checks off its own to-do list. And yeah, it just goes through and works its way down the to-do list until everything has been checked off, and then we'll provide an audit of its thing. And there you go. Now we create the setup and the instructions. And this is connected through some APIs if I want to connect it with Google Sheets, Drive, Notion, and here's the breakdown. So Notion, OpenAI, Anthropic, those are the API, OpenAI or API connections. So the quick start and main functions are all following in a descending order. And there you can see it will just keep going on iterations. And then I moved over to Opus 4 to build even more, because I wanted to generate more complex things. But of course that will use the usage much faster, so you have to be careful unless you are on the max or 20 times plan, because if you switch, it's going to be using a lot more tokens. And now it's created another to-do list to go through with obviously high, medium, low. And then obviously it works through the to-do list, and all the green is the 0 errors. It's coming out not needing to, the system is working. Then the setup is complete, and then I wanted to compare what would be the best solution moving forward. And then it just started amending documents, more to-do lists, building the environments out to the new specifications. As you can see, it goes quite a long way down, just a lot of iterations until we got the standalone scripts working for it to generate properly and flawlessly. And as you can see, there's a lot more green than red now, as I keep wanting to provide and this is real time as in the terminal in the code. So where are we? And now it will generate the final version of this with the updated information. So yeah, that was a basic run through of my Python Pro sub-agent that's generating a YouTube script generator. But of course, I want to build even more in the coming weeks.